Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we have an exciting product to share with you. The innovative 3-in-1 portable walking pad. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. If you're looking for a convenient way to stay active while working from home, this product is a game changer. Whether you want to get more steps in your day or simply need a break from sitting, this is the perfect solution for you. It's compact, easy to use, and can be set up anywhere in your home. Stay tuned as we dive into its features and benefits. This walking pad is an under-desk treadmill designed for home use. With a sturdy 340 pounds weight capacity, it's built to accommodate a wide range of users. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find the walking pad itself, a remote control, power cord, and a user manual. The setup is super easy and quick. One of the best features of this walking pad is its portability. You can easily set it up under your desk or in any corner of your home office without any hassle. It's lightweight and easy to move around, making it perfect for small spaces. Whether you need to transport it from one room to another or store it away when not in use, this walking pad offers unmatched convenience. Using the remote control, you can adjust the speed to your liking up to a comfortable walking pace. This feature allows you to customize your workout intensity, ensuring you get the most out of your exercise routine. The clear LED display shows your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. This helps you keep track of your progress and stay motivated as you work towards your fitness goals. This walking pad fits perfectly under your desk, allowing you to walk while you work. It's a great way to stay active without interrupting your workflow. And it's not just for working. You can use it while watching TV, reading, or even just taking a break from sitting. Staying active has never been easier. The 3-in-1 portable walking pad helps improve your overall health, boosts your energy levels, and increases productivity. So, if you're looking for a convenient and effective way to stay active at home, look no further. The 3-in-1 portable walking pad is the way to go. It's versatile, easy to use, and perfect for any home setting. Whether you're working from home or just want to get some steps in while watching TV, this device has got you covered. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and where to buy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support helps us bring you the best in home fitness solutions.